Timmy was a curious 8-year-old boy who lived in a small town nestled in a valley surrounded by lush green hills. He liked to ask questions, especially ones that puzzled adults and sent them into deep thought. One sunny afternoon, as he sat at the kitchen table, munching on a delicious lunch prepared by his mother, he asked a question that would spark an extraordinary adventure. "Mom, where does the food go after we eat it?" His mother smiled, knowing Timmy's insatiable curiosity was at it again. "Well, Timmy, it's quite a magical journey. Let me tell you all about it." Timmy's eyes widened with excitement as he took another bite of his sandwich, ready to embark on this new adventure. His mother began to explain, weaving a tale that was as enchanting as it was educational. "First, the food enters your mouth, which is like the grand entrance to a magical kingdom," she started. "Here, your teeth, like mighty knights, begin their work, breaking the food into smaller pieces. Your saliva, which is like a magical potion, mixes with the food to make it easier to swallow." Timmy imagined his teeth as brave knights chopping up the food into tiny bits, and his saliva as a magical potion, transforming the food into a mushy mixture. He could almost see it happening inside his mouth as he chewed his sandwich more carefully, feeling the transformation begin. "Once the food is chewed and mixed with saliva, it turns into a soft mass called a bolus," his mother continued. "This bolus then travels down the esophagus, which is like a slippery slide that takes the food from your mouth to your stomach." Timmy giggled, picturing the bolus zooming down a slide inside his body. He imagined it having a great time, whooshing and zipping through the dark tunnel of his esophagus, heading towards the next exciting part of its journey. "Next, the bolus reaches your stomach, which is like a magical cauldron where the real magic happens," she explained. "Your stomach is filled with powerful juices that break down the food even further, turning it into a thick, soupy mixture called chyme." Timmy could almost see the food entering a big bubbling cauldron where it was transformed into a mysterious liquid. He imagined little wizards stirring the pot with their wands, chanting spells to break down the food and extract all the goodness from it. From the stomach, the chyme moves into the small intestine, which is like a long, winding river, his mother went on. Here, tiny finger-like structures called villi absorb all the nutrients from the chyme. These nutrients are then carried by your blood to every part of your body to help you grow strong and healthy. Timmy's eyes sparkled with wonder as he imagined the chyme flowing through a twisting river, with the villi reaching out like tiny fingers, grabbing all the nutrients. He pictured the nutrients being transported by little boats along the bloodstream, delivering their precious cargo to different parts of his body. After all the nutrients are absorbed, what's left of the chyme moves into the large intestine, she said. Here, the water is absorbed, turning the leftover waste into a solid form. Timmy thought of the large intestine as a desert, where all the water was sucked out, leaving only dry waste behind. He could see it now, the chyme slowly transforming, becoming drier and more compact as it moved through the desert. Finally, the waste reaches the rectum, which is like a storage room, his mother explained. When it's full, your body tells you it's time to go to the bathroom. The waste leaves your body through the anus, and that's the end of the journey. Timmy laughed, imagining the waste being stored in a little room, waiting patiently until it was time to be expelled. He knew this part of the process well and could now see it in a new, magical light. All those nutrients that were absorbed by the villi are used by your body to help you grow strong and healthy, his mother said, wrapping up the story. They give you energy to play, help your brain think, and grow your muscles. Timmy felt a sense of awe as he realized how incredible his body was. He thought about how the food he ate transformed into energy and strength, allowing him to do lovely things. "Remember, Timmy, your body knows exactly what to do with the food you eat," his mother said, her voice full of warmth and care. "It's a wonderful system that you can trust to take care of you." Timmy nodded, feeling a newfound respect for his body and the magical journey his food took every day. He realized how important it was to eat healthy foods that could give his body the best nutrients. From that day on, Timmy looked at food differently. Each meal was an adventure, a magical journey that helped him grow stronger and healthier. He became more mindful of what he ate, knowing that every bite was a step on that incredible journey inside his body. Timmy's curiosity didn't end there. He continued to ask questions, always eager to learn more about the amazing processes happening inside him. But now, he did so with a deeper appreciation and trust in the care his body took to keep him healthy and strong. As Timmy grew older, he never forgot the magical story his mother told him. He shared it with his friends, his younger siblings, and even his children one day. The story of the magical journey of food became a beloved tale in his family, passed down from generation to generation, teaching everyone the importance of trust, care, and the wonders of the human body.